हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब विक्रमा भट्टी साहब को मुबारकबाद देता हूं कि वो पहला बजट अपना उन्होंने पेश किया और ये भी ज़रूर कहूंगा कि 107 पेजेस का एक मैराथन बजट उन्होंने पेश किया। And I would also like to remind and recall and say this, that Bhatti Saab has been the member of the House since 2009, and he has served as a chief whip, and also he has served as a deputy speaker in the United Andhra Pradesh, and also as a Congress floor leader in Telangana Assembly in the last 5 years. He is a man of a wide experience. He has tried to prepare the Telangana state budget to the best of his ability. I may say that he has a lot of insight into the financial situation of the Telangana government since the formation of the state, as he has participated in the debates in this house earlier under the leadership of Jana Reddy Saab and later as the floor leader of the Congress. Now Bhatti Saab says that 10 years after its formation, Telangana has not progressed as expected. He says that the previous government failed on all fronts, and development of the state and the welfare of the people suffered, and the state was pushed into a debt trap. He points out that it was a huge challenge for the new Congress government to manage the state, which was in financial shambles. Sir, when I say this, I would also like to say that the financial situation of the state was not hidden. It was very open. Every budget session we used to debate on that. Every appropriation bill we used to have a discussion, and a healthy discussion. I still remember and recall, I was also in the house when Mr. Jana Reddy Saab was a LOP that time, leader of opposition. I remember him using a sentence and saying that the state is in a financial emergency state. So I don't understand. When I was coming to attend the assembly, sir, I was hearing Harish Rao Saab's speech, and then I was also hearing a reply by the finance minister. He was saying in Telugu, if I have to translate, uska matlab ye tha कि आपने तो ऐसा हाल कर दिया कि तनख्वाह देने को पैसे नहीं है। तो सवाल ये पैदा होता है, ये सिचुएशन आपको मालूम नहीं था, आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, या किताबों में लिखा हुआ नहीं था। ये फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन है और इनकी ये नाकामी है, इसलिए तो आपको वोट दिया ना, इसलिए तो आपको वहां बिठाया। ये फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को देखते हुए, seeing the financial situation, you have promised to the people of the state that we will do this, we will do this, we will give this, we will do that, we will give you this. Whatsoever, howsoever the financial state is, it is the responsibility of the government to fulfill the promise, and I'm sure that the Congress government will try its level best and fulfill all the promises made to the government.